Hi, I was asked to share some strategies that I have in place to help out students with between all my classes, all the way from seniors in AP Physics or Accelerated Physics for this semester who are working with math heavy class to freshmen who are taking Computer Science Essentials with me with some background of coding and or no background of computer science understandings. So first of all is the tutoring session, which I had to start implementing from week 2. And the sooner I learned students' schedule, that how their fifth block or their afternoon classes are like, I was able to set up the time for tutoring. So I have physics kids who actually take physics and dual enrollment English between fourth and fifth block through me. So therefore I have set up this 1 hour for Tuesdays and Thursdays for them. And I attached this text in the same link where we made our Zoom links, so that they just have to click the same link that they used to join the class. So for each of the classes, there is a different time slot that is available. Now, these students not necessarily are always available during specific time period. However, depending upon the need that they have, whether I have to look at their code for a computer science student, or I have to meet with that particular student to go and look into the grade book and see what assignments they have missing and give them a list of assignments if they have any questions that particular assignments that they did not do and how I can help them. All that can be somewhat achieved in that time frame. It is easier for parents also, that way they know when the students are supposed to meet with me if they need help. So I do believe that the tutoring has definitely helped. Yes, it has increased the amount of work as well, because I still have prep planning, I still have grading to do. However, it has helped those D's and F specifically in order for them to get into a safer zone. By that, I'm not saying that I don't have any students who are in that category. I still have, and hopefully I'll be able to minimize them to 0 within few days. If not, at least I'll have couples still in that zone. The other thing that I have implemented is, and especially that is easily can be easily implemented, is projects for project lead the way classes. Reason being that if they have projects, students can show the understanding that they are supposed to acquire from the activities and the classes that we do. However, if they are not being able to submit, if they are for any reason they are not submitting the assignments, project is a great way for them to submit, to show their understanding and allow us to give them a grade or give them points in lieu of the missing assignments. So projects are usually that they work over a class, over a period of a week, and though they have a small submittable each day for me to show their progression, in the end they submit their entire project on electronic portfolio, and then they are supposed to share that link with me, and that helps me give them help them their grade, as well as helps me that they were able to show me their understanding of the content. Third thing that I have recently started implementing is having an assignment that is small, that is achievable, that is doable, and can be submitted in one class period. So for this week, students started on Unit 2, where they have to submit their program for the self-driving vehicle to move. And I was able to get submissions for 90% of my students, which was pretty impressive in comparison to other assignments that I kind of struggle and push through again and again. So that was the third strategy that I've placed, that have something that is small, that is achievable. Yes, that those kids who are ready to move on gives them time to do something ahead and get ready for the next day class, and gives other students an opportunity to be able to submit in given amount of time. Lastly, there are other tools on our iPad, like Classroom tool, which lets me see what they are doing on their iPad. That way I can help them without getting into 6 feet distance. There are tools, I'm sure everybody's aware of Whiteboard, especially with my physics kids, that helps them look how I'm solving the problem and be able to add their solution to that. And it is no different than solving any problem in class. So that's about it. These were a few tools that I have placed in my instructions in order to help students understanding, and especially those who are into D's and F categories. Thank you.